Welcome everyone to HFN. Today is January the 9th, 2020. Here to give you all the trusted source of news. And trust me, we are your accurate source of price news according to the price chart. Nowhere else are you going to give the simplistic way and understanding of the price chart versus these technical analysts out here in this space. If this is your first time watching our video, hit that subscribe button, like and share the video, follow us on Facebook, because that is the location to where we will place all of our other price predictions, forecasts. That's the outcome. We'll place it right there on our Facebook page. So make sure you go ahead and follow us there on Facebook. Join us on our website, HueFinancial.com, to make sure that you're ahead of the game in terms of where these stocks are going to go. We're going to update you on the market for NASDAQ, S&P 500, and then the Dow. All right. So the last time we did our video for those particular indexes was on the 1st of January 2020. Now the question that we're going to ask today is, will the stock market continue to see higher prices? Now there is one particular day that indicates that that is going to continue, and we're going to talk about that momentarily. All right, so now let's get started. This is the NASDAQ, and like I stated, the first time we did our video update for the NASDAQ was right here on the 1st of January, right here. Right, and we was looking for the market in NASDAQ to move to the downside, and it did yesterday. Though we saw the weakness in the market in the NASDAQ following these 2 days, right? But even after that weakness came through, the market still decided to trade sideways. Now we came into our area right here on the 8th of January. TP was around 86.80 in the market on our video. Ultimately right here around 86.40. Now the market didn't get that low on yesterday's trading, but hopefully he was able to grab some of this very small profit into the market for the NASDAQ. Now I will tell you that this massive volatility that came in over the last 7 days of trading was very, very minimal, or very hectic and volatile concerning the type of return you would gotten from our analysis. Right, so from our original analysis, if you guys understand, we had resistance at around 87, 77. Market immediately came up above that numerous days. But if you guys understand, we don't use stop losses into the market. All right, this was the opportunity yesterday to see the market in the NASDAQ to hit those TP prices from our video on the 1st of January. So now what we're going to do, since we have broken that down and analyzed the actual outcome in the market in the NASDAQ, let's get rid of it. Now, which day do you think is the day that indicates that the NASDAQ is going to continue to see higher price? There you are, right here. The 8th of January was a major day in terms of what direction the market is going to go. And it is going to continue to move higher in price. We even closed today on the NASDAQ, on the index, 0.67% higher. We did a tweet. If you guys follow us on Twitter, we did a tweet emphasizing to wonder if Peter Schiff is still wondering that the economy is bad, because from this particular day, we're not seeing that weakness into the market just yet. And the weakness, the all-time highs seemingly looks to continue in the NASDAQ. All right. So this continues to indicate that the market in the NASDAQ is going to continue to move higher in price. The only problem for each of these 3 indexes that we're going to talk about today is how high it's going to go. That is the greatest risk in the market for these 3 indexes, is that nobody understands and knows where the ultimate top lies. So I will tell you this though, as long as the NASDAQ trades above 88.80, we will continue to see higher prices in the market. So seemingly that is what we're going to do. Now I'm not going to give you a TP on how high the market is going to go. Okay, I'm just going to tell you how low it cannot go in order to maintain the ability to see higher prices. All right, so this is it. Playing the market. Let's play this on a daily time frame. All right. So this is it. We're going to play this market on the daily time frame in the NASDAQ. Definitely what occurred on the 8th continues to insinuate the market's going to continue to move higher. Now, we break below 88.80 tomorrow, then this day, the 8th of January, is pointless. Okay, that lets us know that there was a major fake out that occurred on the 8th of January. So don't fall for it. But until we see the market in the NASDAQ break below 88.80, you know what we're expecting. All right. No TP though, because literally no one garner how high the market's going to go except for a select group of individuals. Okay. So now let's move on to look at the S&P 500 real quick. All right. So this is our second one that we eyed into the market in the S&P 500, even on the 1st of December. You guys can tell. I'm sorry, the 31st of December, 1st of January, we was looking for the market in the S&P 500 to move lower. And look what happened. What day did it occur on? Bam. Yesterday. 1.21% came all the way at the very bottom of our price target. So, given to you once again. Okay. Now again, what day do you see in the S&P 500 that substantiates that the market is going to continue to move higher? Exactly. Yesterday. Now, when you look at the S&P 500, just like we did in the NASDAQ, where is support? You can tell that the market in the S&P 500 came and found this area around 3250 for resistance. There's another support area around 3260 as well. So those two areas will be the location that the S&P 500 cannot break below in order for us to see those higher prices. So I'm going to bring it all the way down to 3250 for our support area. So as long as this market in the S&P 500 trades above that location, the market will continue to see those higher prices. Okay. I see another indication to where 3225 can be support as well. As the further we go out throughout 2020, that 3225 can also be a support to maintain the viability of higher prices. Again, I'm not going to give you a TP on how high we think the market in the S&P 500 is going to go. Just simply understand that the longer that it trades above 3250, it will continue to see those higher prices. Now, the last one's going to be the Dow. So this is the index for the Dow. And our expectations for the Dow as well, which was given on the 31st of December, the 1st of January, we just look for the market to move lower. Now, the first 2 days, we didn't see that. So I know many people may have gotten nervous to see the market going against our forecast. But once you understand how to read a price chart, you won't become nervous. What day did we hit our TP price? Yes, the 8th of January. 1.37% made. Easy. Now, what day in the market for the Dow shows that the market's going to continue to move higher in price? Yes, the 8th of January. Plain and simple to see and understand, right? So the market and these three indexes are still vying for higher price, and we're going to play that. Now, in the situation for the Dow, how low do you think this market in the Dow cannot go? 28,900 points, or all the way down here? Because I would say it's about that particular area. 28,750 is, oh, I got the wrong one. Excuse me. Let me get rid of this. Because we're still looking for the market in the Dow to continue to see those higher prices. So we have 28,750 points. The market in the Dow cannot go below. All right. So as long as we trade above that support area that I've just talked about in the Dow, we will continue to see some higher prices as we go throughout 2020. Now, even if we go throughout the summer months, the fall months of 2020, 28,600 points has to be that support area, I would state. So now let's bring this back over to the daily. Let's extend this out just a tad. Now we're looking for the market in all these three indexes to see higher price, so long as it holds that support area that we identified on our video today. We did not give a TP price because from our perspective of the price chart, can no one determine the exact price that a market is going to reach a high. So we're not even going to try to do on our video here. But just understand that we noticed that this area of support, as long as these three areas of support are intact, the market will shoot higher in price. All right. So this is our updated stock market video. You guys got questions or comments, as always, let us know. We're here. Leave us a comment in the comment section of this video. And we have addressed the question, will the stock market continue to make all-time highs? Make sure you always maintain your profitability, and I'll see you all on the next one.